proud dad Fred Sirieix is celebrating as his daughter Andrea Spendolini-Sirieix clinches bronze in the women's synchronized 10-meter platform diving final. Welcome to CelebXplore Hub, where we dive into the latest sports and celebrity stories. Let's splash into this exciting moment. In the city of love, Andrea Spendolini-Sirieix and her diving partner Lois Toulson made waves with their stunning performance at the Paris Aquatics Center. The British duo overcame early challenges to secure a bronze medal in the synchronized 10-meter platform diving. After falling to fifth place midway through the competition, Spendolini-Sirieix and Toulson delivered a spectacular final dive, scoring 77.76 points to finish with an overall total of 304.38. Their dramatic comeback earned them a spot on the podium, with China and North Korea claiming gold and silver. In a touching moment, Andrea, 19, and Lois shared a heartfelt embrace on the podium, both in tears. Andrea expressed her love for Lois and the joy of diving together, saying, "The medal can't describe how much I love Lois and love training and diving alongside her." Lois Toulson, who is competing in her third games, celebrated alongside her boyfriend and fellow diver Jack Laffer. Despite only partnering with Spendolini-Sirieix for 2 years, Toulson has already achieved an Olympic bronze, world silver, and European gold. Andrea Spendolini-Sirieix, who has faced her own struggles, including mental blocks following her Tokyo debut, has proven her resilience. "I'm so happy now that I didn't give up," she said. "Diving isn't easy, it's very mentally challenging and taxing. But I feel like I've grown as a person and as an athlete." Born in London to a French father and Italian mother, Andrea joked about completing the home game series with her Paris medal and plans to celebrate with a croissant. Next up, she's aiming for more success in the individual 10-meter platform event and beginning a degree in journalism at City University in London. With Andrea's remarkable achievements and bright future ahead, there's plenty to celebrate. What did you think of their performance? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to CelebXplore Hub for the latest in sports and celebrity news. See you next time.